trying to cover up that Leo energy right there. Hi, I'm Deborah. Welcome to MoggyBoxCraft, and today I am going to share with you how I made my beautiful 40 sign here beside me. Don't be fooled though, I'm not the one turning 40, but a lot of my friends are, so I thought I would make this beautiful sign because I could, basically. Because 40 is a new 30, right? Now if you'd like to know how I created such a lovely, beautiful sign, do keep watching. If you'd like to see more of my videos, subscribing is optional, but I would be most appreciative if you did. You're also welcome to share my videos if someone that might find them interesting or might like them. Also, if you hear lots of odd noises in this videos, it's my dogs. The dogs don't care, and neither should you. Have a lot of cardboard. I am going to draw, actually, the word 40. I suppose I'm going to need a ruler, aren't I? Don't even know if you can see me here, but I'll just chat away as I'm doing this, I think. So that's 40 across. How many will we go down? Maybe 15. I go 10 from there. Oh, this will be the problem if I don't measure this bit as well. A rough guide. It looks like an F. Can you see that? It's an F. Also, ours. It's a fun shape, isn't it? The lovely bit about this is I'm going to cut it all out and then cover it with material. So I don't think it's really going to matter a whole lot. Yeah, vaguely looking at it. Oh, I think it has to come over. Oh dear. It's all gone horribly wrong already. How not to do signage. Maybe that's what this should be called. A vague R shape. So go ahead, cut this out. Careful, careful, safety first. My first cardboard letter. But this letter I think is 50 centimetres by 40 centimetres. Why does scissors hurt your hands so much? Crafting's supposed to be fun. Even the dog's humping in the background. This is the beautiful thing, isn't it? You can just chop more and more and more depending on how you want it to look. I would recommend doing this really carefully and getting someone to help you with it if you're not an adult already. And if you are an adult, find a more adulty adult to help you. It's not perfect, it's quite squint, but I think we can get the gist. I'll just trim that up a smidge. Our shape done. Fabulous. I'm going to use this. It's a template. Well, that's going to be the bottom there, that's fine. So that's the top, and I don't want it any wider than these points. And then what we'll do is we'll just cut it out until we get a shape that kind of looks like a circle. Such a bizarre noise. I feel like I've kind of got more of a dinosaur shaped egg. Really? Like I need my own craft room with like soundproofing for dogs. Maybe what I should do is make an ASMR video of dog noise. Does anyone want to listen to that? Maybe that's what people really want to listen to. Dogs snoring or dreaming in their sleep. Highly doubtful. Highly, highly doubtful. That is my 40 cut it in cardboard. So I've finished doing my letters, cut all them out of cardboard. I'm now going to use some old garden wire just to put in the middle of the letters. How will I describe that? I don't know. Then I've got some pliers as well to cut that. Some tape just to secure it in place, and then with the leftover bits of cardboard, just going to place that on top just so you don't have to see the wire from the back room. I've just tipped wire just roughly in place, and then I'll put cardboard over the top of this. But try and keep this as your nice front section so it's clean to put on your material afterwards. glue gun action. This side's a bit patchy, but I just want to use up as much cardboard as I can. Now I'm going to go around the edges with this stuff, with lots and lots of duck hair stuck to it. This is the most hideous tape to use. Hideous! I have picked white tape because it's the one I've got. So I'm just going to go around all my edges and cover with white tape just to seal off. So that is my 40 done. This was Leo energy. I got a little bit frustrated with this tape. So there's bits of wires running through the middle here. And then I've used glue, stick it all down. And then taped around the edges. So I've got a heap of fabric. I've got some glue. Good old No More Nails. Joyous little paintbrush. And I've got a very sparkly fabric. With my beautiful F letter, I'm going to put it the wrong way around on the fabric. So it's the fabric facing, nice side facing down. And then the letter the opposite way around. All I'm going to do is just cut and leave about an inch of fabric around the letter. I feel like I should do like a tester one. As usual, I'm not going to. I vote we just stick it all down and hope for the best, and by the time I come back tomorrow, after placing some books on it, once the glue's on, then it'll all be fine. Yep. Now I've got my glue all on that side, just gonna stick it down on the fabric. Smooth out some of the fabric maybe. This is going to be not enough glue. Oh, I don't know. We shall see in the morning, shan't we? So hopefully put some nice heavy books on that and it'll all be good for tomorrow. What I'm going to do is we're going to trim around all the edges, so it is about an inch from the cardboard, I guess, all the way around. What I'm going to do after that is cut little slices and then fold them in and glue them into place. I've just left an inch away from the cardboard. Turn it around, that's how they'll look. And I've done the same for all the other letters, an inch away. So for the edges, just cut off your corners at an angle. I don't know what angle, but at least when you flip it up, it doesn't like hang over the corners. Glue gun, blob of glue all around the outside when your glue gun doesn't run out. Lumen glue. Swish it up and hold in place. Does that kind of make sense? That's my F done. So as you can see, I've cut, folded them, glued them all in place. Put that one side, and now I will show you how I do around the circle. Go around wherever I feel like we need to have a wee chop, especially if there's more curve in a certain area. I'll do them smaller. Same again in the middle sections. I'll probably do a lot smaller cuts here because the circle is a lot smaller. A little blob of glue on the whole section. Oh, that piece is coming as well. Very good. Press it down. Well, try not to burn yourself. Oh. A little bit of glue all around the outside. flip up the section, overlap, and hold it in place until it's dry, and keep going until the whole thing is done. Now, many might argue that it could be left like this, but I'm not going to, because I like things that light up, and I have a lot of fairy lights that, well, I think could be put to good use. Got a drill, got a lot of fairy lights. I had planned on, you know, doing this sensibly and counting the lights and figuring out how many lights and how many letters and blah blah blah, but I'm probably not going to do that. I'm not going to do that. I know I should mark this. Maybe I should. For once in your life, Deborah. And why did I not? Why? Right, that's it. The lights are just staying like this. They're finished. Ta-da! Yeah, it's never gonna fly, is it? Okay, I'll get back to you. I've admitted defeat. I've gotten a ruler. So we're about 5 centimeters between each light. Let me see if I can show you. And make my face look really weird. That's beautiful. Anyway. You see that okay? Hopefully. About 5 centimeters. What I've done in the end is I've drilled corner holes in these little bits here, and then I I measured it. If you're going to put a dot on your material, make sure it's a light enough colour that you're not going to see. Although you can probably see, here, I don't know if it'll focus, hold on, the little yellow dots I've used. So I don't know if there's any way around that, but I'm hoping because there's white lights, it won't be quite. Using a really light coloured pen, put a dot in each corner. This would be a good one to show you because it's got a bend in it as well. Roughly do them just over 4 centimeters. And I'm going to just repeat that, all those dots on all these edges. 2 to 2.5 centimeters away from the edges. And I'm just going round. And when I'm going round the rounder edges, I'm just doing them slightly closer together. I know it's yellow, and I know you can kind of see it, but hopefully when the lights are shining through, that won't be a problem. Done the F so far, put the lights in just to see what it's like. I can't get all the lights in. Sometimes I've had to leave one out, so they are, and I think there's one up here I've had to leave out. If you are doing this, obviously wear safety protection on your eyes and drill carefully, get someone to help you. And I thought I'd show you the drilling, but it's really noisy. And we all know, well, this is the drill I've used, and this is the bit I've used, and it's a complete mess because of all that tape stuff, so it's just too noisy. Let's just put that down, shall we? Try and line them up. Take your lights, wiggle them through so they pop out the other side, and just keep working your way all the way around. So this is how the letters look from the back, and we've actually managed to have a little bit of lights left over. Now just to fill in the back. I'm going to cover up the back of these lights. Got a scrap piece of fabric, so I'm going to place that under my letter. Get yourself a piece of chalk. I'm going to roughly draw around your letter. So along the edge of your fabric, where the chalk is, just cut along quite roughly. Very rough F shape. Just good blob of glue. Fold onto your blue line. Stick down. Just do small sections at a time, there's no need to rush through it. We're not in any hurry. Tuck all the fabric in as you go. No one's going to see the back, hopefully. Unless people are holding the letters for photos, which, you know, it's quite possible. Between each letter, there's obviously the strip of wire connecting everything. So I just want to cover up these little lights. So I've got my black electrical tape, bit of a mess. I'm just going to twist that all around. Just squish that into place. Ta-da! So of course you can still see where the lights are shining through, but this is going to be the back, so no one's going to see that. I totally forgot that the wire, so I've had to thread it back through from here and use like little bits of holes. I will fix them, but that's what it looks from the back. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, or tutorial, film, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, this is the finished sign. I hope you like it. See you next time. Bye!